Hello everyone, welcome to our next video of this class. So in this video we are going to see how to animate timeline animation effect in PowerPoint. I have designed the one animation for the example of this class. So I have designed the timeline animation. I'm going to show you the timeline animation I have designed for you. After showing you the timeline animation I have made, we are going to start it from scratch to get an idea how you can also make it for yourself. So as you can see, I'm on slideshow in my PowerPoint. I'm going to start it. As you can see, this is timeline animation I have made in PowerPoint. This is how it will work. Well, I have made this only these points. So as you can see, this is a good animation. This is a good timeline animation, and I'm going to start it from scratch with you to get and to know how you can also design this for yourself. I'm going to open new slide. As you can see right here, I have only blank page. So I'm going to add my first shape. To add a shape, as you know, we have to go on insert and you will see shape option and click on shape. You will see bunch of shapes and I'm going to choose this one, align. I'm going to drag and draw it on our blank page. As you can see, we have our first line, and I'm going to add also a circle, which I'm going to add this oval shape as a circle. I'm going to add it right here. I'm going to remove the outline. I'm going to mark it as no outline. And also I'm going to need this oval shape. I'm going to copy and paste right here. I'm going to drag it on at this point, and I will also need this kind of shape. I'm going to draw it on my blank page. I'm going to resize it to get a cool one. Well, as you can see, this is our shape. I'm going also to copy it and paste it. I'm going to resize it. Going to increase the size of it. Well, as you can see, this is the shape we have done. I'm going to mark this as I'm going to go on format to make this no outline, and this one no outline. I'm going also to add another line. I'm going to copy this one and paste. I'm going to flip this line to be straight. So I'm going to go on format and go to rotate so I can use this. I'm going to put it into the center. And I'm going to also copy this oval shape and paste it. I'm going to increase the size of this oval shape. I'm going to remove also outline. So as you can see, this is our animation is start our shapes is in a good position. I'm going to also to add another one. I'm going to use this shape. I'm going to drag and draw. I'm going to rotate it like this, and I will come and put it right here. So I'm going also to add the text in this animation. I'm going to come on insert and go to the text box, and I'm going to go right here and draw it right here, and I'm going to put a year of this point I have made, and I'm going to increase the size of this one, and I will copy this text box and paste, and I will put right here another text. Right here you will put you need to write your main point. I'm going to also decrease the size of this text because I don't need it to be bold like the title. And I'm going to select this line and copy and paste. I'm going to rotate it and increase the size of this line. I'm going to increase weight of this line. To increase the weight of the line, you have to go on effect out the shape outline and go to unscroll. You will see the weight. I'm going to choose this one. And as you can see, this is our first point. So I'm going to select this all. I'm going to select this all, copy and paste it, and I'm going to select this and put it down, and I will put this on up, also this, and also this one. And I'm going to also to replace this all of this to look up like this. And I'm going to move this over shape right here. And also I will need a line to be right here in between of these two different points. And I will put a text right here, text box. So I'm going to paste the word right here of this point. So as you can see right here, we have 2 points, and as you can see on our screen, we have 2 points. So I'm going to animate it to make this video quick. I hope this will show you how we made the animation I showed you. I'm going also to change the color of this one. To change the color, you have to go on format, and you have to choose a color that will fit your presentation. I think I'm going to use this one. Also, you select the color. All you have to do is to select the shape, and to change the color of the text, you have to come right here on a text. So I'm going to choose this color. So once you finish to add the colors on your shapes, so we are going to also add animation to our shapes. So every time you're going to add animation on your shape or text, you have to go on animation right here at the top. So when you want to add animation on the shape, you have to select it, and also you will see that this animation will be available to use. So I'm going to use this wipe animation. I'm going to change the direction of this animation. To change it, you have to go on this effect option, and I want this animation to come in the left. So I'm going also to add and to copy this animation. I've put it on this shape, and also animate another shapes on my slide. To do that, you have to select the shape that already have animation you want to copy to others, and you have to select it and go to the animation painter. So you have to double click it. You will see on your mouse, you will see blush. So when you see that, all you have to do is to select any shape you want to animate with the same animation. So you have to click like this line. As you can see, this line also gain and wipe animation. And I'm going to select all of this shape. So as you can see, I have done this point animation. So I'm going to, as you can see, I'm going to preview this animation. I'm going to show you on my slide. When I click, all effect comes when I click. So I need this. I need these shapes to come when I need these shapes to come when another the first shape is done. So I'm going to come right here and click on right click, and you have to put to click on start after. So as you can see, this animation will appear when this is end. So I'm going also to make all of this to start after previous after previous. So I'm going to preview our animation. As you can see, when I click, it will animate automatically. So I'm going to also to add animation right here on this one. All you have to do, once you selected the animation painter, you have to click on the shape you want to animate. As you can see, we have done. Sorry. And also we have to come right here, and all we have to do is to make this appear after previous, after another animation is end. So you can see you have to make this after previous, and this one. So I'm going to preview the slide, the animation we have done, the timeline animation we have done. So as you can see, this is how it is. It will appear. And once this point is done, you have to click again to get on another point animation. So I'm so glad that you choose this amazing class. I hope this class is going to help you to make your presentation good. So thank you very much.